Here's a 2017 Subaru Impreza. Subaru does a lot of things right with the Impreza. Great safety features, impressive performance, but standard all-wheel drive? Now they're just showing off. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, voice-activated climate controls, H4 engine, active grille shutters, four-wheel drive, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book finds with good fuel economy to match its all-weather traction, you can get a lot of car for a reasonable price. Subaru, pass it on down. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.